Welcome, happy Friday. So today I'm going to be deep waving. It's one of my new favorite things to do in the salon, but the most important thing to this is making sure you're using a good heat protectant. We have the Redken Extreme. It protects up to 450 degrees, which I don't know why anyone would be going above that. So if you are, stop it and get this product. It's awesome. But as you can see, I'm just taking some section, like just super random sections. The smaller the section, the more like kinkier it's gonna look. Just holding it on for about 5 seconds and then working my way down the strand. To finish off the look, I'm going in with the Verb Dry Texture Spray and then my ultimate favorite, the Redken Spray Wax. It smells amazing. You'll fall in love with just the smell. Who cares how it even works, honestly? But no, it works really good too. But just go in, kind of mess up your hair, get it, like, we don't want this to look perfect. So just really go in with your hands. I wouldn't say use a brush, but the more days that you're letting this hair just kind of fall out, the better I think it looks. Usually on like day 2 or 3, I'm obsessed. So here's the final look, and I hope you love it.